Over 14,000 tons of toxic sunscreen enter the ocean each year. The chemical ingredients in sunscreens rinse off our bodies and end up in lakes, rivers, and oceans. So let's see how you can avoid the chemical sunscreens completely. Recipe number 1. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh plain buttermilk or milk if you don't have buttermilk. Other alternative is diluted yogurt. Next ingredient is 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats or oatmeal and mix with each other to get that applicable consistency. Oatmeal has excellent exfoliating and skin cleansing properties. Buttermilk is rich in lactic acid which removes tan, softens the skin and improves skin tone. Do you know that active ingredients in all the store-bought and over-the-counter sunscreens function as either mineral or chemical UV filters that keep harmful rays of the sun from the skin and maintain that stability in sunlight? Mostly all commercial sunscreens contain chemical filters that go into your skin and your drains. So go easy on that. Now add a pinch of turmeric. If some of you with lighter skin tone is worried of discoloration, then just avoid the turmeric at this stage. Turmeric's healing properties and oatmeal exfoliating properties work well together to remove tan naturally. There are 2 types of commercial sunscreen ingredients that protect your skin from UV rays: physical barriers and chemical barriers. Physical or mineral sunscreen have zinc oxide and titanium dioxide which is applied 15 minutes before the sun exposure. Chemical sunscreen ingredients include oxybenzone etc. that penetrate top layer of the skin to absorb damaging UV rays before they can harm your skin. Anyways, moving forward, recipe number 2 is take few nicely powdered almonds and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Almonds are rich source of vitamin E which nourish the skin and heal it from any damage from the sun. Almonds also have bleaching properties that help in removing tan. Coconut milk is highly nourishing and hydrating for the skin. It helps in restoring the lost moisture. The vitamin C and the mild acids present in it help in tan removal at home. Now mix these ingredients well to form a paste and then apply it to your face, to your neck, arms and other areas affected by tanning. You can now add honey as well to make the pack more moisturizing. Do not allow the honey to remain on your skin for too long if you have an oily skin. Sunscreens contain a number of chemicals found to be toxic to corals and their larvae at very low concentrations. That is why we are doing what we are doing. We are trying to cut down on those chemicals and going natural as much as we can. Moving forward, recipe number 3. Now you can use any clay base like bentonite clay or Fuller's Earth or Rasol clay. I will be using Fuller's Earth, also known as Multani Mitti. Clay usually cools and soothes sunburns. It also removes tan and makes your skin radiant. Add rose water to the clay and make a smooth paste. You can use chilled rose water for more soothing effect. Apply a layer of the paste on the affected areas and let it dry. Wash off with water or a mild cleanser. When you swim with sunscreen on, chemicals like oxybenzone can seep into the water where they are absorbed by corals and disrupt their reproduction and growth cycles, ultimately leading to bleaching. Next up, if you are open to use lemons on your face like me, add 2 to 3 drops of lemon here as it is rich in vitamin C and citric acid that helps in removing tan from the skin. So yeah, these easy face packs and masks are too good to remove and soothe your skin after you feel that your skin has been tanned badly. Now sometimes your sunburn is so harsh that using packs and masks becomes a bit of a task. Other than these 3, there are many soothing liquids from your kitchen that you can apply on affected area to soothe your skin and recover from tanning. Few ingredients that you can use are papaya. Papaya is highly beneficial for tan and sunburned skin. In addition to rose water, you can also use tomato, saffron, sandalwood, potato and honey etc. for removing tan. Aloe vera leaf juice heals and soothes skin. It also has soothing effect and provides relief from suntan and sunburns. You can use nut-based oils to use as natural sunscreen oils and the remedy shown in today's blog for removing the suntan naturally. Another way is to use natural-based sunscreen lotions, which includes the oils of almonds, avocado, coconut, cottonseed, olive, peanut, sesame, soya bean. All have been reported to have UV filters. So that's it. That's it for today's videos. If you like the concept of natural living, then please feel free to subscribe the channel. Hope these recipes helps you and the environment. Thank you so much.